be showing you guys how you can do an unlimited arbitrage without using your card. How you can make money without using your card by doing arbitrage. So we'll be talking about step by step what you can do, and I'll be showing you a particular site in which you can get this arbitrage opportunity that I'm talking about. But before I go on, I would like to say that information provided in this video should not be taken as a financial advice. Please do your research and do what is right. I'll be responsible for my profit and loss, and you should also be ready to take responsibility for your profit and loss. So, as we all know that there are different types of arbitrage opportunity, and one type of that opportunity is called a card arbitrage. Although this card arbitrage is becoming increasingly difficult because of the limits we have on our card. Now, there are other types of arbitrage that you can do, and one is direct arbitrage. This direct arbitrage means that you buy a coin in a particular exchange and then you sell it at another exchange for profit. For example, you can buy a coin at KuCoin, then you sell it at Binance for profit. So that is direct arbitrage. Another form of arbitrage we have is called triangular arbitrage. This triangular arbitrage means that you are going to do the arbitrage between three exchanges. We'll be using three exchanges to do this kind of arbitrage. For example, you buy a coin at MXC, then you convert that coin, you send it to Binance and convert it to another coin at Binance, then you send that coin to KuCoin for profit, and that is triangular arbitrage. Then another type of arbitrage we have is called the loop arbitrage. This loop arbitrage is similar to triangular arbitrage, but this time around you need just two exchanges to do this kind of arbitrage, not three. So you need two exchanges to do this arbitrage. You buy a coin in KuCoin, for example, you send it to Binance and you exchange it for another coin, or you convert it, then you send it back to KuCoin and sell for profit. And then another arbitrage you have is intra-exchange arbitrage. This intra-exchange arbitrage means that you are going to buy a particular coin in an exchange. You buy from market A, then you sell at market B for profit. For example, you can buy VET with BTC in a particular exchange. Then you sell your VET for ETH or for any other coin for profit in that same exchange. So we have a lot of crypto arbitrage opportunities that you can take advantage of, and not only the card arbitrage. Now, this open way for you to do an unlimited arbitrage. Instead of the card arbitrage, you'll be able to do an unlimited arbitrage using any of these arbitrage mentioned. Now, a site that we'll be using or we'll get information from is called the Arbitrage Bot. Arbitrage Bot. Now, there are various ways in which you can use this site. One way is by searching for the particular coin that you want to get information on. For example, we said VET now. So if you search for VET, it's going to bring information about VET. And now, something you need to note, guys, is that there are different kind of coins that use maybe same acronym. So you need to be very careful and check out which one you are really looking for. Now, I have searched for VET and it brought this result. Now, the VET I'm looking for is this VChain. So I'll click on it, then it's going to give me about VET. Then you also see the arbitrage opportunity that we have for VET. Now, it is going to also tell you which exchange has the lowest and which exchange has the highest. For example, here is telling us that if we buy VET, we can convert it to BTC for 41% profit. That means that you buy it on liquid at this price, then you sell it at Oddbit at this price, you get 41%, and that is when you use BTC market. So here you can use the USD. That means that you buy VET at this exchange at this price, then you sell it at this exchange at this price, then you get 26% profit. So one thing you need to take note of is that when you are buying a particular coin or selling a particular coin in an exchange, you need to know if this exchange is having enough volume. Because if the volume is less, then you will not be able to sell for profit. Instead, you will sell for loss. So you need to take this into consideration. And is a particular opportunity for you to get if a particular coin is good for arbitrage. But you need to join our Telegram channel so that you get such information. So this is one way in which you can use the coin arbitrage bot. Another way in which you can use it is using the tools. You come to tools here, then you click on arbitrage. So when you click on arbitrage, it's going to bring different exchanges that we have. Although this is not the total exchange we have, this is just few of those exchanges. So what you need to do is to, now search for arbitrage opportunity between these exchanges. So I'm going to show you how to do that. But one disadvantage of this kind of arbitrage is that you need to have different exchange. You need to have access to different exchanges. So you need to open account with a lot of exchanges. So what you need to do is that you need to just select some exchange, open an account with them, then be searching through those exchange for arbitrage opportunity. So when you're on this page, what you need to do is to clear all the exchanges. You deselect them, then you select the particular one you want to use. For example, if you want to use Gemini and let's say Bitfinex, I want to search for arbitrage opportunity between these two. You select the exchange you want to search for. Then here, if you want to go for the USD market alone, you select it. And if you want to go for BTC alone, you select. If you want to go for the two, you select both USD and BTC. So let's just go for USD alone. Here, this minimum percentage, you can leave it that way without changing it. But one thing is that when you go for high percentage, you need to be very, very careful. You need to make more research because, some coins had been disabled on a particular exchange. So that's why I said that you need to make your research. So, but there's a way in which you can go about this. If you join my Telegram group, I'm going to share it with you. So what you need to do is that you input the captcha here. So you click on submit, and then it will populate the exchange, the arbitrage opportunity that we have on that particular exchange. For example, this one says that there is around 128 opportunity found. So what you need to do is just scroll down. The one marked in pink shows where you can buy, and the one marked in blue shows where you can sell. So these are the coin that the arbitrage opportunities opened, and these are the exchanges that we selected earlier. So for example, for this BAL, you buy it at Bitfinex at this price, then you sell it at Gemini at this price for 1.19%. So we also have other coins that you can go for. So you can check through them and make sure, like I said, that they have enough volume before going for a particular coin. So that is that about how to use this exchange, for profit. Then another thing you need to take into consideration is that when making research on a particular arbitrage opportunity, You need to put into consideration the withdrawal fee. You need to put into consideration the volume. So, and you need to check some other things as well so that you will not run into loss. So, for example, you can also confirm the time it will take for that coin to move from exchange A to exchange B, because there are some coin that will take forever. There are some coin that will take days. There are some coin that will take seconds or near instant. So you need to put into consideration this, and you can get information about this from Kraken. I will leave a link to that so that you'll be able to check through different confirmation time we have. For example, look at this now. This Akash says it is near instant. So that means that you can quickly make profits, doing Akash. I'm not saying that you should go for Akash as an arbitrage, because no arbitrage opportunity lasts forever. It changes. So, but when you look at the time it will take for your Akash to be delivered when compared to maybe inch, 5 minutes. So this is near instant and it will be faster. So you'll be able to make your profit easily. So you can also go for withdrawal fee by going to withdrawalfees.com to check if the fee, will be profitable. If you search for Akash that I mentioned earlier, for example, on this exchange now, if you search for Akash, this Akash network, it's going to show you different exchanges and their fees they take. For example, here it shows that Bittrex has the lowest fee. That means that if you buy Akash, at Bittrex, you'll be buying at a very low fee, and then you know that, okay, I'm going to send it to this exchange from here. But if you are doing arbitrage and the fee is very high, you need to put that into consideration. And there are ways in which you can go about it. Even if the fee is high, there's a way in which you can go about this. If you join my Telegram channel, I'm going to, share this with you. So these are some of the things you need to put into consideration when doing this kind of arbitrage. So for more arbitrage opportunity, you can go for an arbitrage opportunity where the volume is okay, the volume is good, where you can buy and sell easily, and you'll be able to know the time that it takes for you to buy a particular coin from one exchange and send it to another exchange, and then you'll be able to see the profit that you can make. So if you like to know more about this kind of arbitrage, you can join my Telegram, which I will be sharing with you arbitrage opportunities at a particular time. So guys, please note that if you want to do this kind of arbitrage, you need to have enough funds. You need to have money, because of maybe the fee that you will be charged in a particular exchange, or for you to be able to make or to maximize the profit, you need to have enough funds. So I will be sharing more information with you on my channel. So I will leave a link to the description of my Telegram channel. If you have any question, you can leave the question in the message section of this video so that I'll be able to respond to you. So thank you very much. I'll be seeing you guys in the next video.